Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening FL Studio and checking where it writes backups. This matters because several locations exist. Once done, go to Options, File Settings, and note the current project and browser extra search folders. You also check the default Windows Documents path for image line backups. If you run a portable install or change the paths, make sure to inspect those custom folders now. This first step proves whether automatic backups are present and prevents you wasting time searching the wrong drive. Next, you actively search for the backup files themselves using File Explorer and targeted queries. Search for asterisk, FLP, and include backup in file names to narrow hits. Make sure to enable hidden and system files, then sort results by date modified to reveal the most recent automatic saves. Once located, open FL Studio and use the browser under Project Bones or History to inspect autosave fragments. This helps restore channel states and mixer routing. If files are fragmented, copy them to a safe folder before opening. Finally, you copy any recovered FLP files to a new dedicated project folder to avoid overwriting originals, and then open them in FL Studio. If the file fails to load, try importing patterns or opening an older backup version from the same folder. Sometimes partial files recover critical elements. Make sure to adjust backup frequency and enable external cloud or drive backups to prevent recurrence. Troubleshooting tip: if files are missing, run a file recovery tool on the drive and check image line hidden folders for orphan backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.